Good morning everyone. In the series of chapter tissues, we had seen the plant tissue where we studied about meristematic tissue. Today we will study simple permanent tissue. How many types of simple permanent tissue are there? If you remember, we had done the classification in the very first class. What are the three different types of simple permanent tissue? One is parenchyma. Second is collenchyma, and the third one is sclerenchyma. So let's study about parenchyma. Parenchyma is a type of simple permanent tissue which is generally oval or circular in shape. They may have other shapes also, but they are generally oval or circular in shape. They have very thin wall. And it is uniform on all the sides. If it is circular or oval in shape, then we can have something like this. So you can see there are some spaces present in between the cells, and these spaces are called intercellular spaces. So parenchyma has intercellular spaces present in between them. What it is made up of? It is made up of cellulose and hemicellulose. Where is it located? It is located in the pith of root and stem. It is also present in leaves. We have two different types of parenchyma in case of leaves. This main function of parenchyma is storage, and it helps to store different things. It stores food, stores air where it is known as aerenchyma, stores chloroplast where it is known as chlorenchyma. If it is storing air, it becomes very light and it helps the hydrophytes to float on the surface of water. And if it is storing chloroplast, it helps in preparation of food. So these are some of the function of parenchyma. One is it helps in storing food in it, that is carbohydrate, proteins and fats in it. Another one is if it has air in it, it is known as aerenchyma, and because of that air present inside it, it becomes very light and it helps the hydrophytes to float on the surface of water. And if chloroplast is present inside it, it is known as chlorenchyma, and that chloroplast helps in preparation of food. So these are functions of parenchyma. Let us see collenchyma under the same aspects. If we say these have polyhedral shapes, they may be rectangular, pentagonal, hexagonal. These are shape of collenchyma, and they have very little, or in fact these spaces, intercellular spaces, are filled with a chemical known as pectin. So an additional chemical is present over here which is known as pectin, and that is why we say they don't have even cell wall. They have thickened corners. Wherever we will have this, they will have deposition of pectin at the places, and it is known as they have thin cell wall, but it is thickened at the corners. So uniform cell wall is not present, thin cell wall is there, which is thickened at the corners. Why is it thickened? Because of deposition of pectin. So this is about shape. Then we have intercellular space is either not present, or if present it is very small. Less intercellular spaces are present, or it may not be present. Now where is it located? Its location will decide its function. Where is it located? It is located at the tip of the leaves. If this is a leaf, it is located at this point. It is located at, suppose this is a fruit, it is located at its tip. It is even present in hypodermis of stem. What is the function? You might, because of this present at this position, it does not allow the leaf to fall off very easily. Leaves continuously keep moving in a plant, but it does not fall off because of the presence of this collenchyma at its tip. Or similarly, raw fruits also does not fall off from a tree. It is very thin green stems also have collenchyma, so they also do not fall off when wind blows. So this collenchyma provides flexibility to the plant. It provides flexibility to the plants. And how is this flexibility provided? With the help of this pectin, which is deposited at the corners. So this is all about collenchyma. Next is sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma, parenchyma and collenchyma were living tissues. Sclerenchyma is a dead tissue and it is generally spindle shaped, but the shape may vary also. Spindle shape means it is pointed at the corner and thick in the middle. It is non-living tissue, providing mechanical strength, and where is it located? It is located in xylem and it is known as xylem fibers. It is located in phloem, known as phloem fibers, and it is located in husk of coconut. It has very thick cell wall. Why is it thick? Because of deposition of lignin. So here we have another chemical, that is lignin. So this is all about sclerenchyma. Now let us see the differences between the three. Parenchyma had thin wall, collenchyma has thin wall but it is thickened at the corners. Sclerenchyma has thick wall. One difference. Another is parenchyma is living, collenchyma is also living, but sclerenchyma is dead tissue. Third difference is parenchyma is made up of cellulose and hemicellulose. Collenchyma, besides cellulose and hemicellulose, it also has pectin deposition, and lignin is present in case of sclerenchyma. Fourth difference, intercellular spaces are present in parenchyma. Intercellular spaces are either lost or very little intercellular space is present in collenchyma. In sclerenchyma, intercellular spaces are not present. If we look at functions, parenchyma generally stores something. It may be food, it may be air, it may be chloroplast. If it is storing air, it is known as aerenchyma. If it is storing chloroplast, it is known as chlorenchyma. Collenchyma generally provides flexibility to the leaves, fruits and the stem of a plant. And sclerenchyma provides mechanical strength or support to the plant as most of the tissue, as this tissue is dead. So this is all about the simple permanent tissue. Tomorrow we will see the complex permanent tissue, that is xylem and phloem. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, do share it with your friends. If you have not yet subscribed, do subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification whenever a new video is released. Thank you.